beauty bloggers, they just had to kind of present a lot of makeup on their blogs, on their vlogs, on the Instagram, in order for people to pay attention to them. That's why they were applying more and more and more, and at a certain point it kind of became not trendy but popular, and that's a different thing. Hello boys and girls, let's talk about anti-trends in makeup for this season, winter 2018. There are a lot of trends right now, but I just wanted to talk about what's not in anymore. Again, it's my opinion, it's not based on any scientific articles. So it basically, from what I've seen on the fashion show, on the podium, online, in all of those articles, it's what I summarized from what I've seen people wear, celebrities wear, designers present. So I will just give you a summarization of what already is not present anywhere. Again, if you like that, don't be angry with me. Continue using what you like. But let's start. If you're interested in what's not trendy anymore, continue watching. The first one is a frosty lipsticks. I don't know when it was trendy, but it's not for some time already, and I did see some frosty lipsticks this summer, but in the winter time it's almost inappropriate because it just doesn't fit in all of the outfit trends, on all of the colors that we have to wear. Just darker colors, just more bright color. Frosty lipstick doesn't have any place in that. So get your frosty lipstick, put it in your freezer or fridge, and leave it for the time in the future when it will come back and to be trendy. The second one is thin eyebrows. Although a lot of fashion comes back from the 90s right now, and it's very trendy to wear something that people would wear in 90s, those eyebrows that everyone had in 90s, they will never be trendy again. I swear, thicker eyebrow is the best to have right now. Uncapped eyebrow, like not even shaped eyebrow, maybe shaped from the below but not from the top. Thin eyebrows, just don't do it, please. It's very hard to grow the eyebrows back, so just don't. Third, long, thin eyeliner. And I know how everyone likes good cat eye, but those very long, almost to the eyebrow eyeliner, very thin eyeliner, that's it. It's done, and I know everyone just learned how to do it but it's already not trendy, and I don't think it's going to be trendy. Again, if you're wearing very long eyelashes, heavy makeup, maybe it will fit you, but what I see, it already disappeared. And even if it's just a little bit of cat eye, very, very natural cat eye is still appropriate, but the long one, that's it. Not trendy. The fourth one is eyeshadow matches your outfit color. I've seen it a lot, and especially bright colors like green or pink, and when a girl tries to put the short the same color, I see it all the time, and I don't think it's trendy. So try to maybe color block a little bit. Your eyeshadow is not supposed to match anything. Right now the color block is pretty trendy. Don't match the color for sure. It's just it looks cheap, it looks too made up, it just doesn't look good. And the fifth one is matte lipstick. I'm sorry, I love matte lipstick still, and I still wear it. It's just not as trendy anymore. It still has a place to be. It's very durable. It does give you this velvety look, but there are a lot of options that are satin finish but not matte finish. So satin finish is kind of in between glossy and matte, and it's closer to matte, so maybe consider to using some satin finish lipsticks. So the sixth one is basically just in general wearing a lot of makeup is not trendy anymore, and I don't think it ever was. I think that a lot of beauty bloggers, they just had to present a lot of makeup on their blogs, on their vlogs, on the Instagram, in order for people to pay attention to them. That's why they were applying more and more and more, and at a certain point it kind of became not trendy but popular, and that's a different thing. Popular is like more of a mass market, you know, and it's not bad, but it's just whatever you see in the mass market. It could be like pretty trendy, but it's not a good quality. So it's the same with makeup. Like if everyone wears it, it doesn't mean it's trendy. I think right now it's less makeup is more appropriate. So if you like all of that very, very chiseled contouring, a lot of highlight, a lot of eyelashes, a lot of eyeliner, like several colors of the eyeshadow, it's not trendy. It's a good way to show that you can do makeup, and in certain situations it may be appropriate, but it's not trendy. So, and the last one is basically a dark skin color for somebody who doesn't have the dark skin color to begin with. It's very beautiful when dark skinned people flaunt their skin, when they don't really try to conceal it, but for somebody like me to make their skin look darker, it's totally inappropriate right now. Lighter skin is more in right now for somebody with a lighter skin. At this point, if you have a natural skin color, if your skin color is appropriate for your facial features, and it's not too dark, it looks healthy, and the healthy way is more trendy right now than unhealthy way. Okay guys, let me know if you think that I'm wrong in the comments. Let me know if you think that I'm right as well. Thank you for watching this video, guys. It was a pleasure like usual. I love you, and I hope I'll see you in my next video. Subscribe, press the thumbs up. Bye guys!